Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile with you again. Got another boxing for you. Got what's left of my unboxing knife. It has fallen apart. So this is the Roku wireless speakers. I believe they're gonna open out this way. So I will do my best to show them to you. Manual, again, very flimsy, very small, because it's fairly straightforward on how to pair these. Okay, we got accessories box, which I am guessing, oops, open upside down. Cool box. But you just have two power cords. I believe that's all you get for accessories. They used to come with a set of remotes, actually. I don't believe they do anymore. We will find out. These puppies are pretty small. You probably just saw me unbox a subwoofer, or probably a couple days ago now. Now I got the speakers. I wanted to make some more content because I haven't lately with my eye surgery. So here we are with the speakers doing it separately. I could have done it together, but I decided to do them separately just to give more content. So here's the speaker. You have your pair and reset buttons, the slot, and the terminal for the power cord is down there. A fairly heavy speaker, but this has to have the electronics, the amplifier, and the drivers all inside of it. In case you're wondering, this is a sealed box, and this grill is not removable, but I mean, you probably could with some force. But I don't know why you'd want to. It covers like the front half of the speaker there, all the way around the front. Yeah, so that's that. I'm guessing this one's going to be almost exactly the same. I like these bags. They are nice. Not quite as good as the velour ones you get at the Purion, but better than a lot. They're not just cheap plastic or cellophane. Speaker number 2, exactly the same. So I'm going to connect these to my living room Roku TV, and here I have a TCL 3 Series 32-inch TV. I'm going to use these on there along with the subwoofer, and I will do a review on those as soon as I am up to that. I'm not quite 100% with my vision yet, still in recovery, so I am not doing a whole lot of visual work on my computer, which limits what I can do for videos, but unboxings are fairly straightforward and easy to edit, so that's why I am doing them right now. And these are the Roku wireless speakers, and I thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. Also check out Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee, all linked down below. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.